The Boye Cobalt Basic 3 cut the line in one stroke so easily that it surprised the knife handler. The Gill personal rescue knife cut the line smoothly, and the reverse curve to the blade felt like the pressure was maintained throughout the entire cut. The buck Redpoint, with its safe spin opening system, cut as one would expect a buck knife to cut. It got the job done with no problems. The Smith & Wesson Aquanaut came from the factory with a dull blade and would be unsafe in an emergency situation. It failed to cut the line effectively and is a good example of why to practice with emergency gear so there are no surprises when a problem arises. This is the larger of the two Myerchin knives we tested and is an all-around rigging knife. This little Boye folder cut just like its big brother, nice and easy. This smaller Myerchin knife fits nicely in the hand, but may take too many cuts in an emergency situation. The Maxam sailor's tool is the kind of knife that is often given for presents, but it cuts poorly in non-emergency situations. The West Marine rigging knife cuts superbly and at a bargain price. The buck Flashpoint has a partially serrated blade and cut the kevlar line without any problems at all. The buck Bones has an ergonomic grip and a good-looking tanto tip that also cuts well.